early memories of mine would be coming to the school probably, and to get to the school I had to walk in below the railway bridges, and I mean it some mornings you come through below the briggs and there was a great big locomotive up above the bridge steaming and waiting for the signal to come into the station. But you were so used to it, you didn't think anything that there's a blooming 50-ton locomotive above you. I remember that in the busyness of the station there was little wee Scammell Scarabs, 3-wheel articulated trucks running about here delivering parcels away. I mean, the days a next day delivery is nothing new. You could get next day delivery for almost anywhere in Britain to your local station, and 60 odd years ago, no problem. Well, I get down to the Broch, Fraserburgh, to get its right name, down to the Broch for our school picnic, and we had a whole train of the local kids. Special train just for a picnic, and then of course I was at the school at Peterhead Academy, and we usually went back and forth by bus. But if it was if we did exams, you see, we was finished just after dinner time, and the bus didn't come at 4:30, so we used to come home in the train, and oh, it was great. We only had to walk about less than 50 yards for the academy on the train, and it was home. When we come off on that platform over there, the trick used to be, you see, you jumped off before the train stopped, and you kept on running, and there was a thick bridge over the top, and the trick was to try and get off of the train and up out over the bridge before the train actually stopped. Oh, it was just something to try out, you can. S was a mart town. There was, in a Wednesday, there was cattle and cattle floats, and you couldn't get parked in the village anywhere within 30 signs. Folk was parked up on the sides of the road and nothing, because the farmers come here to see either to buy cattle or to see their cattle being gone through the ring. And when I was coming for the school here, well, if I picked the wrong time to come down home, I had to come by the station. Well, if you picked the wrong time, you'd be stunning 20 minutes or more waiting around the cattle. Some of the cattle was driven up for the marts into the station yard to be loaded on wagons. Absolutely, you know, you wouldn't believe it. The amount of stuff. I can't remember, in the early 60s the local Clydesdale bank here was the highest grossing bank, well, in Scotland anyway, I don't know, the farmers kind of got their cheque for the mart and then put it into the bank, and then of course they went away and paid their local garage bill or their seedsman's bill or just whatever, and then of course the garage and everything put in, the cheque got in again, so the money was going round and round. And the money was going round. This was huge amounts of money. If you look